This video introduces eSquare Studio Installer with Simplified Operation from version 2023-07. Starting with eSquare Studio 2023-07, Light and Standard modes have been added for more simplified installation. This makes 3 installation modes together with the existing custom mode. Light mode installs a minimal set of build and debug features. It is especially recommended for users new to eSquare Studio. Standard mode also installs advanced features such as an optimization assistant and performance analysis. Custom mode is a conventional installer interface that allows any component to be installed or excluded. With eSquare Studio 2023-07 or later, you can use Light or Standard mode for simplified installation, depending on the functionality you want to use. Select the recommended Light mode here. After selecting the installation mode, click the Next button. Confirm the contents such as installation folder, and click the Next button. Select the device family to be used and click the Next button. Selecting just the device family you need will make installation and application operation faster. Confirm the contents such as compiler toolchain, and click the Next button. Read each software agreement, check I accept the terms, and click the Next button. Confirm the group name in the Start menu, and click the Next button. Confirm the software to be installed and click the Install button. Depending on the module to be installed, some operations may be required during the process. In addition, there may be actions that require elevation to admin. After installation, click the OK button to finish. Even after installation, components can be added by rerunning the installer in Modify mode.